just want to start this video and take the time out to tell you guys my truth. There's so much going on in the community right now. Honestly, it's too much. Just kidding. What's going on, Fireflies? It is me, Neon Anyway, and I'm here to present you with some greatness. Oh, I can't take it. I can't. As you guys can see, I look like a majestic lion right now, and there's a reason why. Because today, I am going to be starting a new series on my channel entitled the Zodiac Series. Self-explanatory here. I am living. Sorry. So basically what that's going to entail me doing is creating a look each month for each zodiac in our 12 zodiac system. Yeah. Oh, whoa! Okay, messages. So what that's going to entail is me creating a look based off of each of the 12 zodiacs featured in the Western zodiac system. This is going to be fun. This is going to be a great way to me to get back into creating some more looks. As you can clearly see, I am giving you guys Leo fantasy today, and I am happy and ecstatic for it. It is September and it is currently Virgo season, but you know what? No one cares because Leos are all that matters. Shout out to us. Alright, you guys, so basically, yes, like I said, I'm going to be starting this series off with the mighty Leo because I am a Leo, and you know, it wouldn't be right if I didn't give us the shine that we rightfully deserve. And then, like, in about a week or two, I'll give the Virgo look next, so whatever. This style of videos are going to be done in the same way that my Color Spectrum series videos are done, and if you guys have not seen that, you should check the bubble out above. Ooh, wig shifting. Okay. As always, before any of my videos begin, if at any point you are watching and you are enjoying the content that you are seeing and enjoying this face, then go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up, like, and support. It means a lot. Also, if you want to continue seeing me on your YouTube feed, then you guys should go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss the next time I upload. I am living. I feel like I'm giving you Diana vibes. I'm coming out, I'm coming out, the let it show. I'm coming out. Also, you guys, make sure that you follow me on all my social media accounts. That is Neon MUA on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, as well as Lionheart555 on Snapchat. Love to have you guys be a part of the family. The family on the interwebs. I get a little kiki out of chatting with you guys, so definitely follow me everywhere. Alright, you guys, without further ado, we're going to get right into the very first video of my Zodiac series, the mighty Leo. So, let's go.
Pray for salvation. I don't see the point. You are a replacement. I can't take the noise. I don't care what you're saying. I'm preoccupied. Benji's all I'm chasing. Reply. I'm too zoned out here spacing. I got no time, no time. I ain't got shit else to tell you. I got no time, no time. I ain't got shit else to tell you. Ain't got no time to waste any time on you. Ain't got no time to waste any time on you. Ain't got no time to waste any time on you. Ain't got no time to waste any time on you. Ain't got no Now waste no more time. You can't waste no more time.